Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about on a special topic hair and some of the most common visible signs of damaged hair. Split ends, dehydrated, brittle, stiff and straw-like hair. We all face these problems often because we like to style our hair with the head styling tools, or we brush them too much, keep them open every day, or don't provide proper nourishment, pollution, weather changes, and all these things lead to hair damage. My hair is not always like this. There are the days when my hair look completely dry, brittle, like totally damaged. So I was finding a proper solution to reverse the damage and bring back that healthy hair. Then I stumbled upon a magic ingredient, keratin XS, the one-stop ingredient that played pivotal role in restoring my hair health. Hair is made up of keratin, and this protein makes up the natural structure of the hair and directly affects strength and health of the hair. And the secret ingredient is infused in this incredible L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range. I followed a routine using the range and it worked wonders in restoring my hair health, and now I'm totally ready for the festive. And this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range has 3 products: Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo, Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner, and Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum. All product smells really nice, has mild fragrance and comes in attractive color combination red and white, which looks very premium. And the range is infused with the keratin XS. Keratin is a protein that's natural in our hair. It's like superhero ingredient that makes our hair stronger, help rid of frizz and shine, and stops our hair from splitting at the ends, and protects our hair from the damage from external aggressive factors and extreme weather conditions. Keratin smoothens the hair cuticles, keeps our hair frizz-free, and makes our hair stronger and easy to manage. No matter type or texture your hair have, keratin helps you achieve the goal of beautiful and healthy hair. The Total Repair 5 range has the keratin XS, the most effective beauty ingredient, reduced to its smallest form, keratin XS, allowing it to penetrate deeper into the hair fiber, speeding up the damage caused by heat styling or color treatments. Firstly, I wash my hair with the Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo. The shampoo is creamy and soft. The smoothness of the product is perfect for spreading around the scalp and washing the hair. The shampoo is paraben free and it revives damaged hair without weighing it down. Then I follow up with the Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner. It comes in a superb looking bottle which is kept in inverted way. The packaging makes the task of getting out the conditioner very easily. It nourishes damaged hair to make it shinier and smoother. It restores your hair's moisture and makes it softer and manageable. And lastly, apply smoothing and repair serum. It comes with a red flip cap. The cap is secure enough, there is no spilling of product, and the cap opening is perfect to dispense the required amount of product. The serum has transparent texture and has mild fragrance, and it's non-sticky and spreads very easily on hair. The serum contains ceramide and UV filters. When you apply it instantly attaches itself to damaged areas and unifies the hair surface, creating a protective shield against further damage and split ends. It also nourishes and smooth hair, makes hair silky, smooth, easy to comb and frizz-free. It creates protective shield on your hair, protecting it from further damage and split ends. It instantly attaches itself to damaged hair to repair the hair surface. Here's the before and after. You can see the difference. My hair looks so healthy. It feels like now my hair is ready for the festive. It looks so smooth and shiny. Now can we take a moment to talk about the hair transformation? My hair is looking and feeling incredibly healthy and luscious. So healthier and happier days ahead, all thanks to Total Repair 5 routine with the boost of keratin XS. And remember, your hair deserves all the love and care this festive season. And purchase links and other details I will leave in the description box below, so check out there. And I hope this video will help you and hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.